This is Vatsita. Welcome to Manam, Annanagar, Chennai. Manam is a renowned sari brand in Annanagar, Chennai. Manam has been carefully curated for you to discover hand-picked designs from weaving clusters all over India. And we do designer lehengas, customized lehengas and designer blouses. Manam is a 4-story building and it is located in the prime area of Annanagar, Chennai. And we have exclusive silk saris, bridal wear lehengas, designer salwar suits, party wear and much more. And do visit our showroom Manam to check out our collection. In today's Manam Saris episode, we have semi-Banaras silk saris. Starting with the first shade. This royal blue shade with golden color weaving buttas all over the body, zari weaving. And towards the border, you can see floral golden zari weaving. And it is a double shaded border in pink color with polka dots on either side. And now for the pallu here, again a grand pallu in pink color with golden zari weaving. And for the blouse, it's a jacquard blouse with golden zari pattern all over. And it's a very grand blouse contrasting the body of the sari. Now this sari is priced at 2,995 only. Our next shade, this magenta pink color, a very lovely bright color with contrasting orange borders on either side of the sari. And as you can see, the body of the sari has golden zari weaving, and towards the border here you can see floral zari weaving. And the pallu here, a grand contrasting orange color pallu with golden zari weaving all over. And for the blouse, jacquard blouse again with golden zari weaving all over the blouse, a rich grand blouse. Now this sari is priced at Rs 2,995 only. The next shade, this light green color, bright green with contrasting blue color border, double-sided border. And as you can see towards this border, similar to the last sari, it's got floral color, golden floral design, golden color zari. And for the body here, it's got golden zari weaving all over. And moving on to the pallu, a contrasting blue color shade with zari weaving all over the pallu and small tassels. And for the blouse here, a jacquard blouse again, same blue shade with golden zari weaving all over the blouse. Now this sari is priced at Rs 2,995 only. Our next color, this greyish blue sari with contrasting grey borders, a double-sided border again, with floral patterns on the side of the border all throughout the body and golden zari weaving on the body. And for the pallu, a contrasting black color pallu here with golden zari weaving all over with tassels at the bottom. And moving on to the blouse, again black color blouse with golden zari weaving all over the blouse, and this is a jacquard blouse. Now this sari is priced at Rs 2,995 only. Our next design is Banarasi tissue sari, which got bold motifs of golden weaving all over the body and a double-sided border, an orangish border with zari weaving. And now for the pallu here, as you can see, it's got simple checks all over the pallu. And for the blouse over here, again jacquard blouse like last time with weaving, golden zari weaving. And now this sari is priced at Rs 3,595 only. Moving on to the next shade, this is an onion pink color with double-sided border, a maroon border with golden zari floral patterns. And here for the body, it's got geometrical design, same zari. And this is a rare combination, a very elegant and rich sari as well. And now moving on to the pallu, it's got tassels at the bottom and a rich pallu again, same brown shade with zari weaving. And for the blouse, the same shade, brown color with golden zari weaving all over the blouse, a very grand blouse. Now this sari is priced at Rs 3,495 only. Our next sari, this lovely sari with golden zari weaving all over the body, and it is a very elegant and classy looking sari. And towards the body over here, the border, it's got a double shaded border, orange and pink. And now moving on to the pallu here, again a pink shade contrasting to the body of the sari and it's got tassels at the bottom and weaving all over the pallu. And now moving on to the blouse, again a contrasting pink shaded blouse, a grand blouse here with golden weaving all over. And now this sari is priced at rupees 3,495, and it is a very affordable sari for such grand patterns and suitable for all festive occasions. If you would like to purchase any of the saris, kindly take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp at 78248 34404. And do subscribe to our YouTube channel Manam Silks for daily updates. We are now done with the Manam Saris episode. Moving on to the Manam Salwars episode. Today we're going to see a few sets of Chanderi Salwar suit materials with cotton bottoms. First, we have this bright yellow colored Chanderi Salwar suit material which has applique and sequence work at the bottom. It also has a lace at the neck and a tassel, a green tassel. Now coming to the dupatta, which is also a Chanderi dupatta. It is a dark green color dupatta which adds contrast to the outfit. It also has a few gold details on the dupatta and a few tassels at the bottom. Now coming to the bottom, which is a cotton bottom and which is yellow in color, which adds contrast to the outfit. And this whole set costs 1,895 only. The next color we have is this orange colored Chanderi Salwar suit material. The salwar has applique work at the bottom with the bead work on it. Now coming to the neck, it also has a lace work on the neck with the red tassel. Now coming to the dupatta, which is also a Chanderi dupatta and is a dark pink color dupatta. It also has a few patterns on it and a few tassels at the bottom. The bottom is a cotton bottom and this whole set costs 1,895 only. The next color we have is this light green colored Chanderi Salwar suit material. It has applique work and sequence work at the bottom of the salwar. And coming to the neck, it also has a lace detailing on the neck. Now coming to the dupatta, which is a dark green colored Chanderi dupatta. It has floral patterns all over the dupatta and a few tassels at the bottom. And now coming to the bottom, which is a light green cotton bottom. This whole salwar set costs 1,895 only. Next, we have this blue colored Chanderi Salwar suit material. It has a floral embroidery all over the neck and floral buttas all over the body. Now coming to the dupatta, which is also a Chanderi dupatta and has blue piping on all four sides. It also has hand embroidery all over the body. Now coming to the bottom, which is a taffeta bottom, and this whole set costs 2,950 only. The next salwar we have is a beige colored Chanderi Salwar suit material. It has embroidery work and mirror work on the neck and buttons which go all the way down with a small slit at the bottom. Now coming to the dupatta, which is a chiffon dupatta. It has gold piping on all four sides. And now coming to the bottom, which is a cotton bottom. This whole set costs 2,200 only. So we've come to the end of today's episode. Stay tuned to see what's in store for you in the next episode. Also, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.